Shout out to HelloFresh for this, man. This shit hit. Ooh, this is what we're making, the salmon and creamy Dijon chive sauce. So we're gonna start off with the zucchini. We're gonna cut those into half moons. So I'll show you how to do it. Just cut the tips off, cut that in half, boom, 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 like that. We're gonna get the golden Yukon potatoes, cut those in quarters, just like that. Boom. Put some oil, salt, mix it up a little bit. There we go. Potatoes are done. We're gonna get the chives. We're gonna cut those. Fan. Now we're gonna get the lemon. We're gonna zest the lemon, and after that, we're gonna cut the lemon in quarters. Boom. Look at that. Look at that zest. Look at it, all pale looking. Put that to the side. There we go. Now what we're gonna do next? We're gonna put these. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Look at that. We're gonna spread that out evenly. Oven's already preheated. We're gonna put some salt, pepper. I threw some Italian seasoning on that thing. Look at it. Put that in the oven for a little bit. Boom. Now we're gonna get zucchini. We're gonna put some pepper, salt, oil, and some of that more of the Italian seasoning on there. Look at that. When the potatoes are like halfway done, then we're gonna throw the zucchini on there too, so everything can like finish at the same time, just like that. Look at that. Boom. Spread that out. Throw that whole back in the oven. Ooh. Now we're gonna prep the salmon. Make sure it's dry. Leave the skin on with your salt, pepper. I decided to throw some Cajun seasoning on there. We're gonna do oil. We're gonna do butter. Let that thing melt. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at it plump up. Did you see it plump up? Why did it plump up like that? So for the salmon, you're gonna put it with the skin down, okay? You want the skin down. You want that part to cook the longest. So you're gonna do that for about maybe like 3 or 4 minutes, skin down, and then when you flip it, do it for like another 2 minutes. But look at it. You see how it's cooking, right? You want the skin to be crispy on that side. That was me checking to see if it was burning, because I usually don't even cook with the skin. I think the skin is disgusting. But that shit hit though. Not even gonna lie. Oh my god, look at it. Who taught me how to do this? Look at the salmon. Look at it all perfect. Oh, so the recipe didn't say to do that, but I squeezed a little bit of lemon on there just so the lemon can cook in the salmon. I like lemon with my salmon. We're gonna put the salmon to the side, let it rest. Look at it sizzle. Look at it bubble. Who taught you how to bubble like that? That shit was, man, I love salmon, bro. Boom, zucchini's done. Take the zucchini out, right? And we're gonna throw some lemon zest on there. And we're gonna toss it. Oh my goodness. And I just throw that back on the tray, and I put it back in the oven and let it cook for a little bit more. Now I'm gonna make that Dijon sauce, right? So we're gonna put the veggie stock concentrate in there. We're gonna let that little bubble up, and then we're gonna put the Dijon mustard, okay? A little bit of water, squeeze the rest of that lemon on there, and we're gonna whisk that up. So I'm an idiot. I gotta take those lemon seeds out. Look at it, boom, boom. Let that cook for a little bit. Whisk it up, and then we're gonna throw some sour cream on that thing. Oh, some butter. I forgot, man. Butter make everything taste good. Throw a little bit of salt, some pepper, some extra seasoning. I don't even know if the instructions had to do that, but my gut was like, you gotta throw some more seasoning on there. Throw that sour cream on there, and then we're gonna throw some of that chives and some of that lemon zest. We're gonna whisk that up. Look at the color on that thing. Oh my god, man, the flavor of this. I don't know how you do it, HelloFresh. Everything's done. Salmon's done. Zucchini's done. Potatoes done. Sauce is done. This plate. Look at that. Look at the detail. Look at it. Potato soft. Zucchini soft. Salmon's perfect. Sauce is creamy. That shit hit. Good job, HelloFresh. That's a busted gut.